Hello and welcome to HWM Caterham in Walton-on-Thames. Today I'm going to be walking you around this lovely Caterham 420 Series 3. This one has covered just over 5,000 miles and was first registered in 2017. We have sold this car previously. This was actually ordered as a kit in 2017 and was delivered to DPR Motorsport, and it was built by them. It has been maintained by them until 2024, where we sold it for the previous owner to the guy who we have recently purchased it off. And yeah, we're proud to present it again today with only a few small changes since the last time we sold it. Okay, so starting at the front of the car, it's got the lovely triple stripes. The centre is a satin black and the two outer ones are white, and they are a gloss white. You can also see from the grille it is Riviera blue and white, and then the Riviera blue paintwork is in lovely condition. It does have PPF on the leading edges of the front nose cone, and also on the front carbon cycle wings, which have actually been re-lacquered and ceramic coated everywhere else, and they are absolutely spot on. Okay, so moving on to the side. First things we'll mention are the wheels. It does have the black Apollo wheels with the polished lip. These are 6-inch front and 8-inch rear. Plenty of tread on the tyres, and these are the Apollo ZZSs, which are a very popular tyre. One thing, it does have the clear lens pack, so you do get the clear indicators on the front. That's right at the front and on the front wings as well. And then looking down the side, you can see that the exhaust doesn't exit from the side. It does actually go round to the back. This does have the optional track day exhaust system. Other things to mention as well, it's got the carbon vinyl doors, which are a really nice touch and also match the boot cover and also the tunnel top cover. And then also the battery master cutoff switch, and then another square of PPF which has been done really nicely, just because when you swing the doors open, this buckle can mark the bonnet, so some PPF has been put there to protect that. Okay, so moving on to the rear of the car. So one thing that has changed since last time we sold this car is previously it had the track day roll bar. Now it has the easy access roll cage, which is a really popular upgrade that we do quite a lot of. Just a bit more safety, a bit more protection, but still easy to get in and out. And if not, probably a bit easier because you can hold on to this and climb in. Coming around to the back, another thing that's been upgraded is it now has LED rear lights, which is a nice improvement just to brighten the back of the car. It does add visibility, and they are a lot brighter, and it really modernises the car. Okay, so moving on to the interior. This one does have the lowered floors, which is very important on the Series 3. Leather seats, as well as the carbon interior panels. It's quite a nice mix of the leather seats because it does give you quite a bit more room inside the car compared to the Tillets. Also, it's got the quick release suede steering wheel, harnesses, and also the carbon dash, which is standard on the 420. Also, another must is the sequential shift lights, which have been fitted to this one as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, do please give us a call on 01932 240 611. You can also reserve this car on our website at hwm.co.uk.